Hi, I'm Cisco Cepeda. I will be auditioning for the part of Chris. Thanks. 3.5 years talking. Now you tell me what you must do? This is how he died. Now you tell me where you belong. No, I know all about the world. I've heard the whole crap story. Now listen to this. Now listen to this. My dear Anne, are you listening? Are you listening? He wrote this the day that he died. Don't cry. No, listen. My dear Anne, it is impossible to put down the things that I feel, but I've got to tell you something. Yesterday, they flew in a load of paper from the States, and I read about Dad and your father being convicted. I can't express my feelings. I can't bear to live anymore. Last night, I circled the base for 20 minutes before I could bring myself in. Every day, 4 or 5 men never come back, and he sits back there doing business. I don't know how to tell you what I feel. I can't face anybody. I'm going out on a mission in a few minutes. They'll probably report me missing. If they do, know that you mustn't wait for me. I tell you, Anne, if I had him right here, I could kill him. Now blame the world for your problems. Do you understand that letter?